Hi, welcome to Artist Documentation. In this video, we will solve some arithmetic reasoning problem which is really very important for the ASVAB FAQT or any kinds of competitive exam. So here today our first question is the average of five numbers is 36 if one of the numbers is 24. What is the average of the remaining four numbers? So here you can see the 36 will be the average of five numbers. Okay, so 36 times 5 will be the total summation of five numbers. So here we will get 180, and here one of the five number is 24. So we need to deduct, we need to subtract from the total summation of five numbers. So here minus 24 equal 156. So 156 will be the rest of the four numbers summation. So here we need to find out the average. So divided by 4, so 156 divided by 4 equal 15. 4 will goes over 15, it's 3 times, and here 12. So 15 minus 12 equals 3. So 3 6 or 36. So 4 will goes over 36, it's 9 times. So the average of the remaining four number is 39. So today our next problem is John can paint a house 12 hours and Mike can do it in 8 hours. So how long will it take them to paint the house together? So here 12 plus 8 equal 20 hours. So here we need to find out the average. So divided by 2 equal 10 hours. So when they will work both at the same time to paint the same things, so it will take 10 hours. So now the price of a jacket increased from $80 to $100. What is the percentage increased? So here with an $80, the price has been increased $20. So we need to find out the value when the price will be $100. So here 20 times 100 over $80, sorry, over 80%. So here we need to select as like percent. So here 20 will goes over 80, it's 4 times, and 4 will goes over 100, it's 25 times. So 25% price has been increased from its previous price. So here 2. So here today our fourth number problem is a recipe of flour and sugar in the ratio 3:2. So here if you have 12 cups of flour, how much sugar do you need? So here 3 is the ratio for flour and 2 is the ratio for sugar. So here the simple things, you have the amount of for flour, so it's 12 cups, so you need to divide by its ratio 3 times 2. So here we will get 3 will goes over 12, it's 4 times, and 4 times 2 equal 8. So 8 cups of sugar is required for 12 cups of flour. So now today our fifth problem is if 1200 is dollar is invested at a simple interest rate of 5% annually, how much interest is earned in 3 years? So it's a 5% annual interest. So you can earn, if you invest $100, you can earn $5 annually. So for 3 years, multiply with 3, it's $15. So if anyone is investing $100, he will earn $15 after 3 years. So here the investment amount is 1000 and 200. So divided by 100 equal 12. So here $15 times 12 equal $180. So if anyone invests $1200, he can earn after 3 years with the same percentage of interest, he can earn $180. So now a rectangle length is twice its width. Okay, so first consider the width of the rectangle will be x. Width is x. So here the length will be the twice of its width. So length LENGTH, length will be 2x. So we know that the parameter, so here 2a is the width and b is the length. If you consider, so equal 60. So here 2a is a width, so x plus its length, so 2x equal 60. So here 2x and 2 times 2x equal 2x plus 4x equal 60, and here 6x equal 60 and x equal 10. So x equal 10. So the width of the area rectangle is 10 unit, and the length will be 2 times 10 equal 20 unit. Okay, so now come to another problem. 5 years ago, Sam was twice as old as Jenny. So Sam was twice as old as Jenny. So we can consider, and now Sam age is 30. So now Sam age is 30. Sam age is 30. So before 5 years, Sam age will be 25, and 5 years ago, now you can satisfy this condition. Sam was twice as old as Jenny. Okay, so Sam will be the twice according with the compare with the Jenny's age. So divided by 2, it's 12.5. and how old is Jenny now? So here plus 5. So now the Jenny will be 17.5 years old. Okay, so today our another problem is a car travel 180 miles in 3 hours. How long will it take to travel 300 miles at the same speed? So here 180 divided by 3, here we will get 60 mph, mile per hour. So we need to calculate the how long it will take to travel 300 miles. So 300 divided by 60 equal 5 hours. So 5 hours is required for the same speed. Now come to another problem. Here a cube has a cube. Okay, so how does it look? A cube this way, you can add a cube. So a cube has 1 2 3 4 and it's a 5 6, so 6 sides. So a cube has 6 sides. So here all arm length will be same. So here the volume is 64. So here we know that if we consider the every arm is s, so s cube equal 6 4. So s equal square root 64 with the power 3. So we will get, it's 8 times 8 is 64, and 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 equals 64, so we will get 4. So 4 times 4 times 4 equal 64. So here we will got 4, and now we need to find out the surface area. So surface area is 6 s square. So here 6 and 4 square. So 4 square means 16. So 6 times 16. So here 16. So 16 times 5 equal 80, and 16 times 6 equal 96. So this is the surface area. So now come to another problem. See here. So a shirt is marked at $60 after 20% discount. What is the sales price? Okay. So it's a simple thing. So 25% means 1/4. Okay. 25% means 1/4. So 1/4 times 60 equal 15. So the sales price will be $60 minus $15 equal 45. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for your next upcoming examination. There are several types of complicated and general terms of mathematics I have already shown you. If you have any kinds of doubt with this tutorial, please visit our private group AIO Competitive Exam Prep. So here also you can search on Facebook, you can search on Tumblr, you can search on YouTube channel also. Everywhere we are available. So thanks for watching. I will share with you my private group link, and there you will get so many stuff, and you can also log in our personal website. There are also some study materials. You can access it fully free of cost.